Hey, welcome back, this is Tech Brothers. Today we have unboxing and first review of the smallest quadcopter from Xiaomi called MITU Drone. We already made preview video of this gadget, but now we can do a full review and shoot some videos. Xiaomi MITU Drone is equipped with 2-megapixel camera, interesting flight modes, and you can use it both indoors and outdoors. Are you interested? Then let's start with unboxing. The drone comes in a very compact box. To be honest, I didn't even expect that it would be so small. On the front side you can see the image of Xiaomi MITU Drone, while on the back there is a specifications list. The inscriptions are in Chinese because this gadget is designed for Chinese market. When you open the box, you see the base of quadcopter. It looks naked. Don't worry, the props, battery and other stuff are in the package. The user manual is also in Chinese, but here you can find QR code to download application on your phone. Then there is battery of orange color. 4 protectors for props. 6 props, 2 of them are spare, and it is very good. And USB cable for charging. Now let's look at design of the drone. As you already saw, Xiaomi MITU Drone is made of white plastic, only the battery is orange. It is mini drone with dimensions of 10 by 9.1 by 3.8 cm. Its weight is only 90 grams. It is very too easy to assemble a drone. You should find the props with red points and attach them to the rotors with red strips, while props with white points are attached to other rotors. Also, it is necessary to attach the protection because the drone is pretty unstable while flying. The battery of orange color is located on the top. If you want to remove the battery, you should press the button on side. The battery has a capacity of 920 mAh. The Xiaomi promises about 10 minutes of flying time. The full battery charge takes about 60 minutes. On the bottom, there is a large sonar and distance sensor. Also, you can see 2-megapixel camera on the front and USB port on the other side. In addition, there are many other different sensors. So it was unboxing of Xiaomi MITU Drone. In coming day, I will test this quadcopter, connect and set up app on my phone, fly indoors, outdoors, make some videos and photos, and show you all of this in the next video. If you have any questions about Xiaomi MITU Drone, please write in comments below. I will try to answer them in the next video. Thanks for watching, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.